The ring glowed bright blue as it floated towards the monkey and landed right in its hand. A booming voice announced, "The ring has chosen its owner. The monkey is now the heir to the magical powers." The jungle fell silent. The monkey's eyes showed surprise, happiness, and a little confusion. The lion looked down. He stood still for a moment, as if he was having a battle within himself. He had traveled a long way with the monkey, faced dangers together, and maybe even dreamed of the ring himself. But then, he took a deep breath and walked towards the monkey and said, "I was disappointed for a moment, but now I understand. The jungle needs your leadership, and I will always be with you." The monkey looked into the lion's eyes. There was only truth and friendship there. He smiled and said, "Thank you, friend. We will protect the jungle together." Just then, Aunt Squirrel, the rabbit, and the eagle arrived. The monkey told them all about the ring. Everyone was surprised, but they all said the same thing. "If the monkey is our leader, we will never leave him alone." Meanwhile, in a corner of the jungle, another eye was watching everything. A dark shadow had seen the ring's choosing. That shadow was hiding in a large, thorny tree near Aunt Squirrel's house. His name was Calaberia, a cunning and dangerous enemy banished from the jungle, who had returned after years. Calaberia murmured, "So the monkey has the ring, but not for long. I will steal that power and rule the entire jungle." On the other hand, the ring's power began to flow through the monkey. He could hear the whisper of every tree, the slight tremor of every leaf. He began to clearly understand the languages of the animals. He could even feel the energy buried beneath the earth. The eagle flew down and brought news. Trees in some parts of the jungle are strangely withering, as if a dark shadow passed through there. The monkey took a deep breath and said, "Maybe it's not time for me to rest. With power comes responsibility." The lion said softly, "We are all with you, monkey, but be careful. Those who crave power are never far away." To be continued.